What's so special about this screwdriver? This is actually a torque screwdriver from Weehaw. And you can insert this Allen wrench in here to adjust the torque. Comes with the different bits. And it's actually code now to have to torque all your connections. So this is something that is not going away and required if you're an electrician. Now, what's crazy about this is that I already own one of these, and I had to buy another one. Let me show you. Okay, there it is there. Just opening this cabinet is probably going to make my throat burn. You can see the dust on this iPod. All these are old belongings. I had to restart my whole life and throw away everything that I've ever owned. Cars, clothes, toys, games, you name it. It's all pretty much brand new. That's why all these tools look brand new. I get these questions all the time. Hey, do you actually use your tools that look brand new? They're new. They're new. I had to throw away everything. There's only one thing that has really helped me in this whole struggle for the last 3 years. My throat burned for a year once I got out of that house. I got a new house, new everything. There's only one thing that has helped me. And it's this brand here. They're on YouTube. It's called Microbalance. If you've got mold problems, look these guys up. This is the laundry additive. This is the mold concentrate. Makes a gallon to spray. This is like all-purpose cleaning. Now, the common misconception is that it's not actually mold, it's mycotoxins. Mold puts off mycotoxins. They're microscopic. Some of them can only be destroyed with 500 degrees of fire for 30 minutes. So obviously, there's certain stuff that you just would like to keep, passports, maybe using glass. You would think that you could sterilize glass with soap or bleach or a pressure washer or the sun for a year, but no. Some of this stuff is just permanently etched in there microscopically, puts off VOCs, and absolutely destroys my organs. I'm being very mild when I talk like this. It literally kills me. Let me show you what helps the most. These candles right here, they literally get rid of mycotoxins in the air. They make the air easier to breathe. They stop the air from being what you would call spicy, what my kids call the air from being spicy. We've all got like permanent cellular damage from this stuff. It's no joke. This stuff actually works. It's not snake oil. It does make the air easier to breathe and has actually been a really huge blessing. So just shout out to Microbalance for existing. Go check them out. This isn't affiliated or anything. This is just something that's honestly helped me, and thanks guys for existing. Probably going to make a couple more videos with these guys. They're awesome. Go to their webpage, give them a shout out, tell them I sent you.